What's up, everyone? In today's video, we're looking at what is easily one of the best Fortnite Cronus Zen scripts available right now. If you're trying to improve your aim assist, reduce recoil, make close-range fights feel smoother, and get more consistency in your matches, then stick around because we're covering everything this script can do. Before we jump into the features, I want to quickly mention something that separates Sigma scripts from most other script providers. Most websites charge you separately for every single script. You buy a Fortnite script, then if you want Call of Duty, Apex Legends, Rainbow Six Siege, NBA 2K, or another game, you have to keep paying again and again. With Sigma scripts, you pay once and get access to a massive library of premium scripts for virtually every major game. Instead of purchasing one script at a time, you unlock everything in one place, making it a much better value if you play multiple games throughout the year. If you want to check it out, head over to sigmascripts.wtf after this video and get access to every single script in existence without ever having to pay for a script ever again. As you can see, I joined the Discord after paying, and now you can see Sigma Scripts has given me access to every single script from every provider. And I get access to scripts for every game as well, and they update it as well once new games come out. Now let's get into some of the biggest features. Number 1, Enhanced Aim Assist. This is the feature most players are looking for. The script is designed to work alongside Fortnite's built-in aim assist to help create smoother tracking and more consistent engagements. Whether you're taking medium-range fights, tracking moving targets, or trying to stay on target during hectic build battles, the Enhanced Aim Assist helps make everything feel more controlled and predictable. Number 2, Recoil Reduction. Nobody likes fighting their weapon's recoil while trying to focus on positioning and target tracking. One of the biggest advantages of this script is the recoil control system. It helps keep your weapon steadier during engagements, making it easier to stay focused on the target rather than constantly correcting your aim. This becomes especially noticeable with weapons that normally have stronger recoil patterns. Number 3, Hip-Fire Optimization. Close-range fights happen constantly in Fortnite. Whether you're pushing buildings, fighting in tight spaces, or taking shotgun battles, having smoother hip-fire control can make a huge difference. This feature is designed to improve consistency during those fast-paced encounters where every shot matters. Number 4, Movement Enhancements. Good movement is one of the biggest skill gaps in Fortnite. Many advanced scripts include movement-focused optimizations that help make gameplay feel smoother and more responsive, allowing players to focus on decision-making rather than fighting against their inputs. Number 5, Pickup and Utility Macros. Quality of life features often get overlooked, but they're incredibly useful. These types of features can help streamline common actions like picking up loot, interacting with objects, and performing repetitive tasks more efficiently. They're not flashy, but they can definitely improve the overall gameplay experience. Number 6, Constant Updates. One thing many people don't think about is script support. Fortnite changes constantly. New seasons, new weapons, balance updates, and gameplay adjustments can all impact performance. That's why ongoing updates are important, and having access to a script library that continues receiving improvements can make a huge difference long-term. And again, this is where Sigma Scripts stands out. Instead of paying for one Fortnite script and then starting over when you switch games, Sigma Scripts gives you access to premium scripts across a huge collection of titles under a single membership. So if you play Fortnite today, Call of Duty next month, and Apex Legends after that, you're already covered. If you want to learn more, check out sigmascripts.wtf through the link in the description. Let me know down below what game you're currently playing, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Cronus Zen guides, setups, scripts, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. So if you play Fortnite today, Call of Duty next month, and Apex Legends after that, you're already covered. If you want to learn more, check out sigmascripts.wtf through the link in the description. Let me know down below what game you're currently playing, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Cronus Zen guides, setups, scripts, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.